if you want a door or a lid to open up automatically, you can use these adjustable spring hinges, which you will find with this spring inside and this little pin which you can insert in these holes to adjust the resistance. So let me show you how it works. Usually in the pack you will get this little helper. So what you're going to do is you will insert it in one of the holes like that, and you will see that when you push it like that, it will start, it will activate the resistance. So now, let's say I want to push it down and I want to insert this pin in the other hole and then gently push it back, and now the resistance is activated. What that means, see, it's hard to close it and the pin stays inside and this spring is activated. What that means is you can attach to a lid or a door and it will always try to close it or to open it depending how you attach it. So I'm gonna show the way to attach it to a lid which placed horizontally, and this lid will be always try to be opened. The reason I'm doing that because this lid is heavy and I have kids and I definitely want to protect their fingers. So I want this hinge not just be used as a hinge, but something to open up this lid easily when they want to put something in this box. And obviously I'll put some latches to close this lid, but I hope it will help a little bit to save their fingers.